Somewhere in a Walmart aisle right now there's a blouse hanging for around $20 that uses the exact same weight of fabric, the same seam construction, and honestly the same overall silhouette as a blouse selling for $300 at a department store just a few miles away. I'm not going to tell you every single item at Walmart is secretly designer quality. That's simply not true. And I'm not interested in feeding you a story that sounds exciting but doesn't hold up. What I am going to do is walk you through 7 specific pieces where the actual construction quality genuinely competes with far more expensive brands, and show you exactly what to look for so you can spot these pieces yourself every single time you shop. Hey there, welcome back to Elegance at Any Age. This channel exists to help women over 60 look polished and put together without needing a big budget. And today's video is exactly that mission in action. Real, honest quality checks. Not just a list of things to buy blindly. If you're new here, welcome, glad to have you. And if you've been here before, you know exactly what to expect, no fluff, just real information. One small favor before we get into it. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now. This channel puts out this kind of honest, practical content every single week. And drop a comment telling me the last thing you bought at Walmart that genuinely surprised you with how good it was. I want to hear your own finds too. Alright. Let's get into item number 1. Item 1. The structured blazer. Let's start with a piece that surprises a lot of women. A simple structured blazer, typically found in the workwear or dressier sections. Here's what to genuinely look for to confirm quality. A proper interior lining rather than an unlined jacket, since lining is what allows a blazer to hold its shape and slide smoothly over other layers rather than clinging or bunching. Check the shoulder seam specifically. It should sit precisely at the edge of your own shoulder bone, not extend past it or fall short. This single detail is one of the clearest signs of genuine tailoring quality, regardless of price point. Also check the buttons themselves. Quality blazers, expensive or affordable, use buttons sewn on with a slight thread shank, a small gap between the button and the fabric, rather than being sewn flat directly against the material. This small detail affects how the jacket buttons inlays when closed. A well-made affordable blazer checking all of these boxes will genuinely perform and photograph just as well as one costing several times more, since the actual construction elements creating that polished look are identical. Item 2. The ponte knit trouser. Next, ponte knit trousers, a fabric we discussed in our wide leg pants video actually. Known for holding shape beautifully while still offering real stretch and comfort. This is genuinely one of the categories where affordable options have improved enormously in recent years, since ponte itself is a relatively straightforward knit to produce well. What to check here? Gently stretch a section of the fabric and watch how it recovers. Quality ponte snaps back to its original shape almost immediately, while lower quality versions stay slightly stretched out or feel noticeably thinner once pulled. Check the waistband construction too. A wide, structured waistband that doesn't roll or fold over itself throughout the day is a genuine sign of good pattern making, regardless of the price tag attached. Item 3. The silk blend blouse. Here's a piece worth genuinely paying attention to. Blouses labeled as silk blend or featuring a silky finish. True quality here comes down to weight and drape rather than fiber content percentage alone. Hold the blouse up and let it hang freely. Quality silk blend fabric falls in soft, fluid lines rather than looking stiff or overly shiny in a way that reads as synthetic rather than luxurious. Check the seams along the side and underarm specifically. A French seam, where the raw fabric edge is fully enclosed rather than left exposed or simply serged, is a genuine mark of more careful construction, and it's increasingly common even in more affordable blouses. This single seam detail alone can tell you an enormous amount about the overall care put into a garment's construction. Quick pause here because I want to know, out of these first 3, the blazer, the ponte trousers, or the silk blend blouse, which one are you most likely to actually check for on your next shopping trip? Drop the number in the comments. I read every single one. And if you're finding this useful, take a second and subscribe now if you haven't already. This channel drops honest, practical content exactly like this every single week. A like on the video genuinely helps too. Let's keep going because item 4 is one of the most underrated categories that exists. Item 4. The cashmere blend sweater. Cashmere blend sweaters deserve real attention here, since cashmere content, even a small percentage, genuinely changes how a sweater feels and performs. Check the label for actual cashmere percentage, rather than assuming based on how soft something feels straight off the rack, since fabric softeners and finishing treatments can make lower quality synthetic, knits feel temporarily soft in store. The real test: gently pill test a small, inconspicuous area by rubbing it between your fingers for several seconds. Quality knit blends, cashmere included, resist pilling far better than pure synthetic knits. Also check the ribbing at the cuffs and hem tight. Even ribbing that holds its shape rather than looking loose or stretched out is a strong sign of genuine knitting quality, a detail that matters just as much on an affordable sweater as an expensive one. Item 5. The wrap dress. We've talked about true wrap construction on this channel before, and it's absolutely worth checking for here too. A genuine wrap dress with an actual functional overlap you can adjust, rather than a faux wrap sewn to simply look that way, tends to be a strong indicator of more thoughtful pattern construction overall. Check the tie or fastening mechanism specifically. A proper interior tie or snap that holds the wrap securely in place throughout the day, rather than relying purely on the exterior tie, is a genuine quality marker. Also examine the fabric at the point where the wrap crosses. Quality construction here lays flat and smooth rather than pulling or gapping, a detail that separates a well-made wrap dress from a poorly constructed one regardless of price. Item 6. The trench-style coat. Outerwear is genuinely one of the categories where construction quality varies enormously, so it's worth checking closely. For a trench-style coat specifically, check the belt and buckle hardware. Quality hardware feels substantial and solid rather than light and hollow feeling. Check the collar structure too. It should hold its shape and stand slightly rather than collapsing flat, a sign of proper interfacing. An interior layer of stiffening fabric, built into the collar construction. Also examine the buttonholes, cleanly finished. Reinforced buttonholes that don't fray at the edges are a genuine sign of careful construction. A coat checking these specific boxes will hold up beautifully over years of wear, regardless of its original price point, since these structural elements are what actually determine longevity, far more than the brand name on the tag. Alright, quick pause again because I want to know if you've ever actually checked a buttonhole or a seam before buying something. Drop a comment and let me know. I have a feeling a lot of you are going to start doing this after today. If this video is helping, take a second and subscribe now if you haven't already, and a like genuinely helps this reach more women. One more item to go, and it might be the most surprising one on this entire list. Item 7. The ponte or scuba knit sheath dress. And finally, the ponte or scuba knit sheath dress. A genuinely versatile category worth real attention. Check the lining at the hip and seat area specifically. Many well-constructed sheath dresses include a built-in lining panel in this area precisely to prevent clinging and add opacity, a detail that separates a dress that photographs and moves beautifully from one that doesn't, regardless of price. Also check the zipper. A smooth, sturdy metal or quality plastic zipper that glides without catching is a genuine sign of overall garment quality. Since zippers are often one of the first places lower quality construction shows itself through catching, misalignment, or premature breaking. Bonus section. The 5 things to check on any garment, regardless of where you shop. Before we wrap up, let's pull this together into a genuinely practical checklist you can use on absolutely anything you're considering buying anywhere. First, check the seams. Are they finished cleanly, with no fraying or exposed raw edges? Second, check buttons and zippers. Do they feel substantial and function smoothly? Third, check the fabric weight and recovery. Does it spring back after being gently stretched or scrunched? Fourth, check the lining. If a piece should have one, structured blazers, certain dresses, does it have proper interior construction? And fifth, check the seams at stress points, specifically underarms, the crotch seam on pants, and the shoulder seam, since these are the first places poor construction typically shows itself. Any single garment checking most or all of these boxes is genuinely well made regardless of the price tag, and this checklist works everywhere, not just at Walmart but at any store you shop at going forward. Closing. So there you have it, 7 specific pieces: the structured blazer, ponte knit trousers, the silk blend blouse, the cashmere blend sweater, the wrap dress, the trench style coat, and the sheath dress, along with the exact construction details that genuinely separate well-made pieces from poorly made ones regardless of price point or brand name. The real secret was never about finding secret designer connections, it was about learning to actually evaluate quality yourself, a skill that pays off every single time you shop anywhere. If this video helped you shop a little differently today, that's exactly why we make videos like this every single week. So here's my final ask. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications, so you never miss a new video the moment it goes live. Give this video a thumbs up if you're checking one of these 7 items on your next shopping trip, and drop a comment telling me which piece you're most excited to look for. Share this with a friend who loves a good budget find too. She'll genuinely thank you for it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.